Hey guys, welcome back. I have teamed up with Ludic to bring you guys an entire new course on Bolt. Throughout the course, we're going to learn how to create an entire platformer completely in Bolt from a beginner starting point. If you're unfamiliar, Bolt is the hottest new tool on the Asset Store. It's a visual scripting tool much like Blueprints from Unreal. So if you're familiar with that, you'll feel right at home here. Check out the links in the description below to learn more or to pick up Bolt if you don't already have it. You won't regret it. For this course, you're going to have a basic understanding of Unity, so the editor, how it works, and just the basic concepts, but no scripting experience is required and no Bolt experience is required for sure. So let's take a look at what we'll learn throughout this course. We're going to have 13 individual lessons, starting with the project setup video, where we're just going to get our project up and running. Then we're going to have the character controller, which is going to be a two-parter, where we're going to make our player move and jump around. We're going to have obstacles and death mechanics set up so that the player has things to avoid, and if they don't avoid it, they can die. The objective to unlock the next level, so if you complete the level and you reach the flag, then you go to the next level and unlock the next level. The heads-up display is going to display the player's health in the form of hearts. You're going to be able to collect a projectile weapon, which is going to be shown in the UI, as well as the key object for doors. Speaking of that, the next lesson will be the door and key objects, where we're going to set up our door obstacle and the key that unlocks said door. Health and damage mechanics, exactly what you think. The player is going to have health and it's going to be able to take damage. If the damage gets the player down to 0 life, they will die. Enemy AI is going to be another two-parter where we're going to make the enemy wander around seemingly randomly on a platform. If the player gets close, we're going to chase the player, and if we reach the player, we'll deal damage. We're then going to have the projectile weapon that you can throw at the enemies to kill them. So if they're in the way, knock them off the platform and you're good to go. A pause menu, so we can pause the game, return to the main menu, quit the entire game if you would like, whatever you'd like to do there. And last but not least, the main menu itself. The ability to select a level you've unlocked, to start a new game, or again, just to close out the application. Hope you guys are excited about this. It's going to be a lot to take in, but it's going to be over the course of, like I said, 13 lessons. And they are going to start going up right after this video with a single lesson every single day until we get them all out. Hope you guys are excited about this. I will see you in the first lesson where we set up our Unity project.